How to naturally whiten skin at home by using lemon solution. If you'd like your dark skin to be paler, using natural items can lighten it a few shades without the harsh side effects that come with chemical whitening products. The simple practice of staying out of the sun will also keep your skin from getting darker. There's no magic potion that will lighten your skin more than a shade or two, so keep your expectations realistic, and most importantly, remember that dark skin is beautiful too.
Apply a lemon juice solution. Lemon juice has been used for thousands of years as a natural skin lightener. It contains acids that lightly bleach the skin and exfoliate the top layer of darker skin cells. Since pure lemon juice can be irritating to skin, make a lemon juice solution by mixing 1 part lemon juice to 1 part water. Take a cotton ball and spread the solution on your skin. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then wash it off with warm water.
Limit your application of lemon juice solution to just 2 to 3 times per week. Applying it more often could lead to skin irritation. Apply a moisturizer after rinsing off the lemon juice because the juice can dry out your skin. You should begin to see results after 3 to 4 weeks of using the solution several times per week. While lemon juice doesn't provide instant lightening effects, it's the most effective natural solution available. Use caution if you ever attempt to put any kind of citrus juice on your face. Phytophotodermatitis can be caused by a reaction between UV light and photosynthesizing chemicals found in citrus fruits. While it's fine to use lemon juice on your skin, you need to wash it off thoroughly before going out in the sun.